Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are taking a look at the Dell G7 gaming laptop. We will be unboxing and benchmarking this laptop, so stay tuned, we hope you enjoy and let's get into it. I believe that this is currently priced at around £1,200 on the Dell website in the UK, which overall is pretty good value for money. So inside the box you obviously get the laptop, which is packaged in a plastic protective cover. You also get the instruction manuals and the charging and battery leads as well. This is a 15-inch laptop which comes in a reasonably thin design. It's not too heavy, but it's not very light in weight either. It also has an iridescent look on the Dell logo on the lid of the laptop. The screen, as you can see, is gloss, so it's very shiny, but it does catch a lot of reflection. At the back of the laptop, located between the two vents, are some ports, including a lightning port, a HDMI, a USB, a Thunderbolt 3 and a RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet port. On the left we have a power in charging port, another USB and a headset jack also. And finally on the right of the laptop we have a standard SD card port and another USB. As you can see here, the laptop has a number of fans on the back as well. This is great as the laptop shouldn't get too hot with all of the vents. However, during performance gaming the fan noise can be quite intrusive and may be distracting. I will show you this later on. So the laptop of course comes with a charging lead. As you can see, the battery on this is huge as the laptop requires a lot of power. The charging lead comes in two separate parts, the battery and the power in end of the lead and the battery connector / plug end also. Here are some of the laptop's main features, such as game shift, thermal cooling, etc. I will link the website in the description if you would like to see the full list of features. It also comes with an Intel Core i7 processor and GeForce graphics card. The laptop switches on automatically when opened, which is pretty cool but potentially annoying for some. It also has an LED bar at the bottom of the mousepad, which again looks great, but some may prefer more of a minimalistic look. On our previous laptop videos, a lot of you were asking for things such as how fast does the laptop run in games and how long does the battery life last, etc. So we have completed some benchmarks to answer those questions for you. First off, we have a program called Cinebench, which evaluates the hardware performance of the laptop. The results show that this laptop ranks 7th with a score of 3,172, which is about average for its specification. Next we have a program called Crystal Disk Mark, which tests the read and write speed of the laptop. Here are the results. This program is called 3D Mark, which tests the performance of the laptop's 3D graphic rendering and processing capabilities, or in other words, how efficient it runs in a game. So here are the results. PC Mark is a bit different as it tests the overall system performance of the laptop. For example, when in conference calls, etc. The score for this, as you can see here, is 6086, which again is very average for this laptop. You can review the results on the graph here also. As I mentioned before about the laptop being very noisy, this is how much noise the laptop is making after running those benchmarks. So if you're going to be playing games on this laptop, then take this into consideration. This is the thermal reading of the laptop after running those benchmarks, and as you can see, the current temperature is around 38 degrees. Lastly, this battery eater program will give us an idea of how long the battery life is on this laptop without the charger being plugged in whilst running at full capacity. The results from this were approximately 2 hours taken for the battery to charge to 100%, 2 hours for the battery eater to flatten the battery, and about 12 hours for the battery to die with a YouTube video running. So that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is posted. Also check out our socials, and we will see you in the next video.